Hello viewers, I am right now at the Gujarat highway, the highway that connects to Tarapur and Palitana. I am headed for Palitana on my Dom. This is my usual ride and I do it once in 6 months or so. I sometimes get my TNT, sometimes my Dominar, and sometimes I drive down. So I'm making this video basically just to show you guys how I have set up my bike, without the tank pack, without the saddlebags. How do I set it up? Like if you don't have saddlebags, if you don't have tank bags, and if you just have your sack packs, your regular laptop bags, how you can set it up. So once I finish my juice, I'll just do a walk around and explain you how I have set up the bike. So guys, those who don't have saddlebags and tank bags, I can show you how you can set up the bike. I've got a set of 5 or you can say 4 bungee cords. One is an octopus one with not octopus but a 4 bracket one, and another one is just with 2 single bungee cords. Now this is a normal sack pack, normal laptop sack pack that I've put it up on the tank bag. I've got the Sahyadri guard, so I use those to lock them on the bike. This is how I've locked it up. It stays pretty stable with that. The bungee cords are like 1.5 to 2 feet long. They hold the bag pretty well on all the ride. I don't have to move around with it, or I don't have to switch it around while on the ride. The backpack has a soft bag, so that if you can see my tank is not at all damaged, no scratches, nothing on it. So this is the front setup, and the rear setup I've used a 4-point octopus. Okay. I've used traditional way. I've put up a rope around. I've tied it around with one of both of our rear handles. The octopus goes around from here right to that one. Again, it starts from there, comes in around here and holds it from here till here. So this is again my regular laptop bag. Okay, there are no laptops in it, but all my stuff like extra water, some snacks, some clothes, my puncture kit. By the way, I got a puncture on the way. I forgot to take a video of that, but I do have some snaps. I'll put it up in a second video. My clothes, puncture kits, my tool kits, chain lubes, my extra set of gloves, everything, all are in there. By the way, I also lost one of my gloves on the way. I forgot to wear it and they flew off from the bag at the rear part. So this is how I've set up. I'm also using a floor seat. I'll put up a small video about the floor seat, how I've set up that. I'll try to add in that and add in a new video. So this is the pain from Pune but Gujarat right now on the Gujarat highway. This is how my bike looks. I'm standing at this nice sugarcane place. It's a beautiful highway out here. I basically love to ride on these roads. After the earthquake that happened a few years ago, all these roads were refurbished and they are excellent to ride. So that's the way I get my bike out here every time. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video if you like the idea how I've set up the bike. without much professional bags and all. Please do subscribe if you're watching it for the first time, and if you have any questions regarding the setup, please do add it in the comment section and I'll try to answer them at the earliest. Thank you.